Hey you guys, it's Whitney and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys an after dark clean with me. I am going to be cooking and cleaning in this video and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. So we are actually just gonna jump right into the video today and I am gonna start out by cooking a yummy dinner. And tonight's dinner is brought to you by HelloFresh. So thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. And I am making their herby chicken over lemony spaghetti, and you guys, it was so good. We've had a couple of their meals now and I love all of the ones that we've tried. They're really good, and what I love about HelloFresh is they offer so many recipes to help you get out of that rut. I don't know about you guys, but I hate coming up with dinner ideas. It's probably one of my least favorite things to do, but they have something for everybody. They have low-calorie, vegetarian, and family-friendly recipes that all use high-quality ingredients. HelloFresh also saves time from going to the grocery store, especially right now. I like to try to steer clear from the stores as much as I can, and most of the recipes only take 30 minutes or less to get onto the table, and you can actually save up to 28% using HelloFresh versus going to the grocery store. HelloFresh also has pre-portioned ingredients, which means less prep and less food waste, which I love because I feel like we are constantly wasting food in our house. And what's also great is the packaging is almost entirely made from recyclable content. HelloFresh is super flexible because you can easily change the delivery day or your food preferences. You can even skip an entire week whenever you need. No questions asked. And right now you can get $80 off, including free shipping on your first box when you use my code WhitneyP80. Now additional restrictions do apply, so you can go to HelloFresh.com for more details. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with HelloFresh. I've really enjoyed trying the recipes and I know that you guys will too. So I will leave all of the information down in the description box below. So after we ate dinner, I had a pile of dishes a mile high in my sink. I had been letting them build up all day long. I'm usually pretty good about cleaning as I go, but this was just one of those days where I did not do that. So I am actually going to start out by doing all of these dishes so that way I have more room to be able to get in here and really deep clean. Now I am going to be deep cleaning our kitchen tonight because we were actually leaving for the beach the very next morning when I was filming. And I don't know about you guys, but whenever I go out of town, my house has to be spick and span. Everything has to be clean and in their place. And that way we can come home to a nice clean house and we don't have to worry about doing anything on this end.
No makeup, whatever happens doesn't matter. I know we can sort it out alpha and no makeup. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter. I know we can sort it out alpha and omega. Alpha and omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded.
And now I am just going to really quickly clean our sink. Again, I am just using that Mrs. Meyer's vinegar gel to clean the sink out. You guys know I love this product, so I will just stop it there.
And omega, even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out alpha and omega.
Now I'm just going to go through and pick up all of the counters. I had some trash and random food and stuff. And then I am going to pick up all of the food that was on the kitchen table from my kids and just get all of that put away.
Falling I know we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we could work it out. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega.
Now I am going to go in and wipe down all of the countertops. I am using this Mr. Clean Deep Cleaning Mist. I picked it up on a whim at the store the other day because I needed a new multi-purpose cleaner, and I really love this product. I like the way that it smells a lot. I love lemon scents, and I think it does a really great job of cleaning down the countertops.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers. Cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving on me. Hey, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
And then when I am done with that, you will see me using the same product to just wipe down our stainless steel and make sure that there are no smudges and no food or anything on there, and just get everything nice and clean.
What you have to say? Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above.
So now that the kitchen is all picked up, I am going to go ahead and take the trash out just because I don't want the trash sitting in the house all week long. And then I will go in and wipe down the trash can as well.
Baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
And then the last thing that I'm going to do in the kitchen is sweep. Now I do mop, but I go back in and do the kitchen and the hallway at the same time, so you will see that in a different clip. So moving on, I am going to pick up the living room. I surprisingly didn't have that much to clean this evening. My kids did a really good job at picking up all of their toys. So I am just going to fold some blankets and put away a few toys that they missed. And then I will dust off the TV stand and then vacuum in here as well.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So like I had said earlier, I am just going to quickly mop the kitchen and the hallway, and I am just using some Pine Sol to do this. Again, I'm a weirdo and I need to have everything spotless before we leave for the beach.
Stepping on toes with these humble acting everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
So moving on, I am going to be cleaning my office. If you guys have been following me for a little bit, you would know that Megan from Loving Life is Megan actually redid my office for me, and I have not dusted or cleaned in here since she did this makeover back in the beginning of August. So it has been a hot minute and it really needed to be dusted and wiped down. So I am just going to focus on getting everything nice and clean in here.
Your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look, here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes.
Once I have picked up everything and dusted, I am going to go in and sweep and mop, and that will finish off the office. The last room that I'm going to be cleaning in this After Dark Clean With Me is my downstairs bathroom, and I'm just going to quickly clean the toilet and the sink and call it a day. Now, I obviously don't clean the upstairs in this video because my kids are sleeping at this point, and we did end up just rushing and cleaning it in the morning. But don't worry, I did clean those rooms before I left.
Tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time, I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time, I've been out in my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you. But I know it's true that nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. No, nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. In a minute.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this After Dark Clean with me and it motivated you, whether you're cleaning during the day or you're cleaning at night. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!
Went on repeat, you're the star of my movie, but now it's done, still stuck in my seat, ain't getting off easy, like I'm doing time yet without parole, got me flirting with disaster, but I'm all in, gotta go for gold, so tell me